Hello, I'm Alexis from PreEmpt.life. Today, I'd like to take you on a journey into the world of soft robotics, a revolution that's transforming manufacturing and healthcare as we know them. And you're about to become part of this transformation. My research shows that the global soft robotics market is expanding rapidly, projected to grow from $2.5 billion today to $8.8 billion by 2030. But these aren't just numbers. They represent a future where your workplace becomes safer, more efficient, and truly collaborative. Imagine your manufacturing floor where robots with gentle, compliant materials work alongside your team, handling delicate components with the precision that rigid automation cannot achieve. I've observed how companies implementing this technology have reduced workplace injuries by up to 70% while increasing operational efficiency by 50%. Or perhaps you're in healthcare, where soft robotic devices can transform patient care, creating personalized rehabilitation experiences that adapt to individual needs. My analysis reveals that facilities integrating these systems are experiencing a nearly 15% improvement in recovery times, accompanied by a significant increase in patient satisfaction rates. You're facing critical challenges today: integration complexity, high initial costs, and regulatory hurdles. Traditional rigid automation creates barriers between humans and machines, forcing your team to adapt to technology rather than the other way around. Continuing with conventional robotics means accepting limitations in flexibility, efficiency, and safety that will increasingly put you at a competitive disadvantage. But you have a choice. You can pioneer the soft robotics revolution within your organization. I've studied successful implementations across Asia, Europe, and North America that demonstrate remarkable returns on investment through strategic planning and phased deployment. The key lies in your approach. First, invest in interoperability, the seamless integration of these systems across your operations. Second, prioritize workforce training to create a team that excels at human-robot collaboration. Third, engage with regulatory frameworks early to stay ahead of compliance demands. What makes soft robotics uniquely powerful is its ability to bridge the gap between rigid technology and human dexterity. Like a skilled dance partner, these systems respond to your movements and needs, creating harmony between human creativity and mechanical precision. The transformation won't happen overnight, but the strategic adoption of soft robotics today will position you at the forefront of this technological shift. You'll create safer workplaces, reduce operational costs, and unlock new possibilities for innovation that your competitors haven't even imagined. I'm here to guide you through this journey, bringing insights from across industries and around the globe. Together, we'll reimagine what's possible when technology adapts to humans, not the other way around. Your vision, combined with this revolutionary technology, will create a future where flexibility becomes your competitive advantage. The soft robotics revolution is underway. Will you lead it? For more information on soft robotics pioneering flexible automation, or any other emerging challenges you may be facing, and to obtain the full and free report, contact us or register at PreEmpt.life. Thanks for watching.